Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Revolut to another bank account. It's going to be really simple. I guess it's on the key features of the application here, and yeah, just basically it. Click on transfer, and after transfer you're going to be seeing bank account, card numbers, recipients, a crypto wallet. You can basically click on one of those and just input your bank account here, the bank account contact details, and yeah, this is basically it. Quick review. And you could also do this with cryptocurrency as well, depending on your region. But unfortunately, on my region, this is not allowed. So if you have cryptocurrency, you could just basically do it also there. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.